Welcome to Advanced Lectures of August 2025. This is the 2nd of August, Saturday. We're going to aim for a video every day this month. No breaks, no excuses. As you can tell by my voice, I am currently recovering from illness, but there is no excuse. The goal of this month is to make a video every single day, no matter what. So that is what will be done. You won't see any charting videos from live trading. You may have seen hindsight backtesting videos on previous data, but you will not see a lot of charting live. You'll see a lot of psychology and a lot of source, as last month was. I really liked last month posting pretty much every day that I could. So I do really want to continue that going into August. I don't think there's anything I need to mention before I start. Obviously, yesterday's video was quite intense. I've never really spoken like that on this platform before, that intensely about the brain. There will be more coming like that. But for today, we're going to be talking about how to instantly level up. After this video, you should level up instantly, because it's a complete paradigm shift. You're changing what you're looking for. You need to be a sniper after this video with your sights on this new thing. Now, what you got to understand about trading is that everyone preaches it's always about psychology because of the emotions that impact your decision making, which is true. What they don't speak about psychology is that the simpler that you keep trading, the simpler it will be. Trading is only confusing if you put it on a pedestal that it's confusing. And to understand how the market moves, you then realize that all you have to do every day is look for one thing. That's it. So, with everyone speaking about psychology and about why you should really focus on it, with greed and FOMO and fear, that is just a clickbaited title into keeping you into the loophole. They don't speak about how simple trading is, because they realize that the people that want to stay in the cycle of learning to trade, but all of these videos that are put out are designed for those that enjoy lying to themselves that they're learning trading by scrolling YouTube for videos every single day, and that they think that watching psychology videos instead of strategy videos is any different and you're being more productive. It's a complete mask. If you really understood how the market moved, you would not have psychology issues. there would be no FOMO, there would be no greed, there would be no fear. Psychological issues come from lack of knowledge and lack of certainty. And these videos are designed for those who are lacking certainty and lacking knowledge. And then I guarantee you at the end of their videos they offer a digital product in exchange for the secret sauce, which, if you're really seeing through this lens of how the market actually moves, every single thing people can offer is all designed for supply and demand of those who want to be productive and learn the markets but want it easy. That's the demand. The demand is to learn this easily. See, then you get YouTubers that fill that demand and supply with endless amounts of videos and content and psychological videos. But if you really knew how the market moved, these issues would not exist. So this is kind of a two-part series because I do want to make another video on this topic, which will probably be next. But this is kind of the preparation for the next video. I'm prepping your minds for the next video, which is going to show a lot. And it's really going to change how you see the markets if it has not already through my videos. It really will. But you got to realize when you just sit still in the silence and really think, was it ever this complicated? Or did you just need something to fulfill your dopamine addiction? Watching strategy videos is not going to make you a better trader. Now, if you haven't caught on to the subliminal message I've been lying in this video, it is that once you truly understand the markets, you will have no psychological issues. Now, that also relates to what else I've been talking about you do not need to watch strategy videos. Now, what I'm trying to get at is there is no need to study strategy videos if you know how the market maps. The strategy does not matter. The strategy is irrelevant to the market. Do you really think the market cares about what strategy you're using? Or do you think that the market will just move how it moves? You tell me. Now, I haven't been trading the past week and a half. Have I missed it? No. Have I thought about it? No. Why have I not needed to think about it and miss it? Because I know how it works. If you understand how it works, there's no need for it to constantly be there. I have not thought about trading once these past week and a half. Nothing. I haven't looked at the charts. I haven't looked at any YouTube videos about the new strategy that's just dropped, or the leaked course that's just been published. None of it bothers me because I understand how the market works. So when I'm back to trade, then I will care about trading. Until then, it does not matter because I understand how the market moves. That's it. So I'll repeat one more time the subliminals in this video are that you think your issue is psychology, but it's really just lack of knowledge and lack of certainty. That is purely based off of trading with a strategy rather than trading with how the market moves. If you're trading with a strategy and that's it, how are you going to have full conviction and that's going to happen? The market doesn't care about your strategy. The market moves. That's it. So, one more time for those that have drifted off to my video. Once you finally come to the realization that you can remove all the psychological issues that you're having just by having a foundational knowledge of how the market moves, should open your eyes into really seeing how the market moves. Once you understand that, then you will not need more. You will not be scared to enter. You will not be scared of missing out. There is no lack of opportunity when you know how it works. Opportunity is everywhere. You can capitalize on any move of the market once you understand how it works. Just like you've seen me do before in the July lectures of how I was able to ping pong the market. How I was able to sell to a low and buy up to a gap, or vice versa, or the other way around. Sell to a gap and buy up to a high. You can see me do that back to back, calling each high and low and bottom tick and top tick and all that fancy wording for the secret sauce that people hide. You see me do it. Do you think that I felt FOMO or fearful of the trade? If I didn't understand how the market worked, I would not take it. I wouldn't be confident in partialing there, expecting a reversal. I wouldn't be able to execute because I would have no certainty to back up my position. Once you get certainty, then you will remove all psychological issues that you are currently facing. And this is the lie that you've been told. The lie you've been told is that you need to fix your psychology. Your psychology is holding you back. However, the reason you've got psychological issues is not because you're dealing with FOMO or greed or fear. It's because you don't really understand how it works. So feel free to rewatch this video. Feel free to share this video, and feel free to stop watching videos after this one tonight and take action. Listen to what I've told you. Don't just let this be another video that you watch for the sake of watching. Let this be the shift you've been needing. So I'll leave it there, and you'll see this video, well, probably at 9:30 at night it'll premiere. Ideally I want it out at 9:30 just because it makes sense. So you'll see this in about 40 minutes. But I'm going to record maybe another video now or tomorrow, so that the next week is covered for videos, so that 4th to the 8th is covered during the week, so that you have videos to watch. That will probably all be recorded tomorrow, but for now, hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.